Yeah, here is question number 3. So triangle, so sides were given, so show that x satisfies the equation x square minus 12x minus 81 equal to 0. So here in terms of x we are going to do, so there is no two angles, we need to find x, so I'm using the cosine rule. So here is the angle and here is a side is given, so I'll start from 15. So part A, cosine rule is a square equal to b square plus c square minus 2bc cos a. So here a equal to, I'll take opposite 15, so 15 square equal to the other square 12 square plus this side is x square minus 2 times 12 times x times cos 60. Okay, here 12 15 square is 225 equal to 144 plus x square minus 2 times 12 times x times cos 60 is going to be 1 by 2. So this 2 and 2 we can simplify. So 2 to 5 equal to 144 plus x square minus 12x. So rearrange. So x square minus 12x plus 144 minus 225 equal to 0. So which is x square minus 12x negative 81 equal to 0. This is the thing we need to show. We done the first part. Second part, hence find the exact area. So area, so we know the here angle is given, so but we should know the adjacent sides, so we need to find out x first. So part B, so the equation is x square minus 12x minus 81 equal to 0. So I'll go with quadratic formula. So quadratic formula is x equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. So x equal to minus b, so which is 12 plus or minus square root of negative 12 whole square minus 4a is 1 and c is negative 81 over 2 times 1 which is 2 equal to 12 plus or minus square root of 144 minus of minus plus, which is 324 over 2. So next part, 12 plus or minus square root of this one will get 468 over 2. So the next line 12 plus or minus 468 become 6 square root of 13 over 2. So I'll bring 2 outside, so it's going to be 6 plus 3 root 13 over 2. So 2 got cancelled, so x equal to 6 is all plus or minus 6 plus or minus 3 square root of 13. But the thing is side can't be negative, so we are choosing only 6 plus 3 square root of 13. We got x, so just we need to find the area. So area equal to half AB sin C, which is half A is, the side is, one side is 12, one side is x, then middle is 60. A is 12 times another side is 6 plus, let's go 13, then sin C times sin 60. So here and here is rid off, so 6. So 6 into 6 plus 313 into sine 60 is going to be cube 3 by 2. So this and this will be rid of, this is 3. So 3 root 3 into 6 plus 3 root 13. But our answer, we need to leave 9 times some third form. So we need to make something 9. Yeah. Here 3 root 3 times, from here I'll take 3 outside. So it will become 2 plus square root of 13. So now 3 times 3 is 9. The root 3 I'll multiply inside. So 2 root 3 plus square root of 13, 9. Yeah, that's the final answer. 9 times, yeah, p root q plus root r. So this is the final answer for the area. So area equal to 9 times 2 root 3 plus square root of 39.